Hello everyone, I hope you can learn with me online. Today we're going to learn adding and subtracting polynomials. So what you see on board, number one, this first polynomial is two terms, second one is also two terms. So two terms plus two terms, how to adding them. I want to introduce the first way is a horizontal way. You know, between two parentheses, if you see positive sign, you can just directly pretend that there's no parentheses because the positive sign didn't change anything. All right. So then I want to write from highest degree to lowest degree. Highest degree is the cube, right? So I want to bring that down. When you bring the term, please bring the sign with it. So the sign is negative. So put down -3p cubed. So, but for the square, look, we have a two squared terms. 5p squared plus 2p squared. In total is a 7p squared. And then we only have one number, which is a -3, bring down. So that's it. So this is a horizontal way. So let's look at number 3. This is a two term, also adding two terms. Again, this is a plus sign in between. So we can just pretend there's no parentheses. Well, you can erase it. You can rewrite it. And then I want to see the highest degree is cube. So how many cubes is it? This is a 5. So 5 and 2 and 5 combined, they are 7 and cubed. So now we just have numbers left, which is 4 and 2. Combine 4 and 2, they're 6. So that's how you adding polynomials. Let's look at a subtraction. When you see subtraction, just remember this is an invisible 1 there. So it's basically -1. You're going to multiply everything inside. So that means that negative gonna turn every inside the opposite. Okay, what I'm saying is first parenthesis, if nothing in front of it, you can just ignore. Just break the parentheses and bring everything down. But that later on, this negative, think about there's -1 times 4. That is a -4. And -1 times +2, that's going to turn -2. Okay? So you have to really be careful about the sign. The negative in front of parentheses can change the sign in front inside of the parentheses. So now we combine like term. The highest degree is squared, right? So here 3a squared minus 2a squared. So think about 3 apples minus 2 apples. How many apples left? Just 1, right? That 1 is invisible. We don't have to write it. And then, well, these two numbers we can combine. 1 minus 4 is -3. Then that's the answer. Again, very important. The sign negative basically read as -1 to time everything inside of the parentheses that following. So -1 times 4 is -4. -1 times +2, that's -2. So that negative change the sign, turn to everything opposite. Okay? So let's practice one more. So again, nothing in front of first parentheses, so we just pretend nothing there. We're gonna just directly erase the parentheses. And then again, there is an invisible -1 times 5 is -5a, and -1 times +3 is -3. Now we combine like term. Well, then we see this is a like term because they both have a's. Ooh, 5a minus 5a. I like that. 0, okay? And then look at 4, +4 minus 3. That's just a 1. Right? Okay, now it's your turn to practice. Good luck, you can do it.